Deciding to stay in Russia to save Alex, Spider-Man and Wolverine got caught up in an intense battle with Russian soldiers. The government saw their forces getting torn down and thus sent out their own Red Army Supers, which consisted of the likes of Bora and Crimson Dynamo. With Dynamo's armor being seemingly impenetrable, Spidey and Wolvie were at the mercy of the mutants' attacks. That is until this Spider-Man lost control and cracked the dude right in the neck, killing him instantly. Reminder to never play Rock'em Sock'em Robots with Peter Parker.